Hello, good night. My name is Rosana. The following presentation is to talk about the future, comparing and asking questions from the year 2020, 2045, and 2100. Compared the technology of the year 2045 is more advanced than that of the year 2020. The city of the year 2020 is small that of the 2100 city. How is the world in the 1100? The world 2100 will automatic is depend on people, science, and technology. Who are the car of 2045? The car of 2045 are very advanced and modern. Goodbye.